Welcome to another Visual BI Extensions video sessions. My name is Ingo Hilgefort and I'm the host for this session. Today we're going to take a look at some of the export options provided by the Visual BI extensions. So here we are in Design Studio. I prepared a project with a chart, a table, and our PDF and PowerPoint export options. So I'm selecting the PDF option, and as you can see, you have several configuration options such as the orientation, page size. Do you want to have headers or footers? Do you want to see the button? You also have the ability to, for example, add the ability to quickly provide a comment before you export the dashboard into a PDF file. So you can see here a little commenting icon, which then at runtime you can use to provide your comments. At the bottom you can see to add things like dates or, for example, having the page numbers in the footer. You can configure the font size. So in our example, we're going to run the application and then we will choose the export to a PDF. So first I provide my quick comment. As you can see, I simply click on it and can start typing. So then I click on the button to export my dashboard to PDF, and I'm given two options. I can either choose to export the complete dashboard, or I can export certain components. First, let's export the complete dashboard, and as you can see, I get the complete items into my PDF file. So now let's try to take a look at the second option. So I'm closing the PDF file, and the second option then provides me the ability to choose certain components from my dashboard. So I click on the button again and will then choose the option to only export selected components. So here we are. I'm choosing the chart and the table, and when I now click on export, you will notice that per component I will get one page in my PDF file. So here's the PDF file, and you can see each component on a single page. In the second part of this video, we will take a look at the PowerPoint export option. Here we can see the details, and first we enter the service URL from the system. In our case, it's locally installed at our BusinessObjects server. We can enter a file name that we would like to use for our generated PowerPoint. The template options for now, we leave them empty as we're going to use them in the second step. So we're going to execute our application, and then we will export the dashboard into a PowerPoint. And as you can see, similar with the PDF, we have the options to either choose certain components or export the complete dashboard. And when we export the complete dashboard, everything will become a single slide on the PowerPoint deck. So we're going to close the PowerPoint, and we're going back to Design Studio, and this time we're actually generating a template, and we will make use of this template as part of our PowerPoint export. A template is basically a PowerPoint that places the component at specific items. So here we are in Microsoft PowerPoint. We have two slides in our PowerPoint deck, and we're actually going to add text boxes. In this case, you can see I'm typing in chart 1. So I'm typing the technical name of the components that I would like to appear instead of the text box. Now, one quick item to configure is that the size of the text box doesn't get auto-sized in PowerPoint. And after we configure that, we can then basically go ahead and place the second text box for our table. So we configure the details now, and we can resize the text box. to the size how we would like to appear our chart. Then we're going to copy and paste it and replace chart 1 with table 1. And we're going to also include a text box on our second slide with a much bigger version of the table. So we're going to store the PowerPoint and then go back to Design Studio. Inside of Design Studio, we're going to the properties of our PowerPoint export. We're going to upload the template. We quickly select it and we're going to upload it, and then we can use the file name as a template. Remember that our template generates 2 slides. So we just quickly type in the name of the template slide deck we created. Then we're going to run our application and we simply click on the button Export to PowerPoint. We will not be asked if we want to use the complete dashboard anymore because we created a template. So here's the template with the chart, the table, and the much bigger table on the second slide, just simply using a template. I hope I was able to interest you into our extensions for Design Studio, and in case you would like to try them out with your own system and your own corporate data, feel free to come to our website and register for our 30-day trial. I would like to say thank you for listening to me, and in case you have any further question, feel free to reach out to me.